Today, exciting day, I don't have to drink alone. And I've got Lisa here and she's gonna show me one of her healthy go-to meals while we hammer tequila. Tell the people what we're making.
Healthy chicken enchiladas.
Enjoy. So we use the H-E-B brand rotisserie chicken. No skins. No skins.
So we want about a pound.
Or you could just eat this delicious rotisserie chicken and have a perfectly good dinner. You ever just eat rotisserie chicken?
It smells really good.
There's always hidden meats in these rotisserie chickens. See, hidden chicken.
Okay, can you eat this part of chicken?
I would not eat that part of chicken. All right, so now that we're chopped up, where are we going?
We're going to grab a bowl, throw in all the chicken into the bowl, and throw in the rest of our enchilada ingredients. You're an animal.
That'll work. What a good way to scoop up finely cut chicken.
I mean, this would be a perfect way to use your knife. Look at that.
Smart.
Okay.
All right.
Now we're going to add the salsa.
Try to measure that in my head. Say when.
Okay. Also some cheddar cheese, which I've already portioned. So it's about a half cup, maybe a little bit more, I don't know. And it's just sharp cheddar cheese.
All right, cheese, salsa.
Sour cream, or that's what we call it in my house. It's really just plain Greek yogurt. And I add about a half a cup, again, maybe a little bit more. It's just straight protein, so I don't feel bad about overdoing it. What are you doing?
Don't worry about it.
Now we add the green hatch chilies, if you wouldn't mind opening that for me.
This thing is terrible. Why? I have a normal can opener.
That is a normal can.
Go ahead.
Science. Okay. And just add the 1 can of diced green hatch chilies.
All right, so we've got salsa, cheese, or Greek yogurt, green stuff. That's it.
Last thing is taco seasoning. This is actually my taco seasoning that I just have at home since we use so much of it. So about 2 tablespoons, which would be equivalent to just 1 regular taco seasoning packet if you don't make it at home. And then just stir it all up.
All right, so now we're stirring our mush pile.
What a gross sound.
Agreed.
This is when you can always add more. So I always start off light. You can always add more if you want to add more salsa. I like ooey gooey inside. Some people like drier enchiladas. It just depends on what you like.
I don't know who wants a dry enchilada. I eat a cold enchilada.
Who eats cold enchiladas? Now just get some spray and spray the pan. We already have our oven pre-cooking to 375. Open the green sauce.
All right, round 2. This doesn't have teeth on both ends. Oh, shit. We'll celebrate to that.
Oh.
Masterful can opening.
So we're just gonna pour a little bit on the sauce on the bottom. This is just to help the enchiladas be a little bit glued up. Keep everything falling out, keep everything sealed up. And now we're going to roll these guys up into little enchiladas.
Come on.
Let's see what you think a rolled enchilada looks like.
All right. I'm still going with the closed ends. Check it.
Okay. So that's a little burrito, which is not what we're going for. And I actually portion my enchiladas out so I know exactly how much I'm getting. It's also a nice little scooper, so I can just scoop, tuck. And again, I'm not an enchilada expert here. This is just how I make them. Now tuck everything in.
Oh.
There you go. Do like that, but a little bit better next time.
What now?
Now that everyone's all tucked in,
All tucked in.
we're going to throw on more green sauce
Ooh. Tell me you can throw that cheese on it too.
and a little bit more cheese.
I like it.
Because why not? And now we're going to throw it in the oven for 25 minutes until everything is nice and bubbly and ooey and gooey.
I don't know if I can drink any more tequila. Plate away. All right, and there it is.
Enchiladas are done, but I also like to add a little extra sour cream on top, or again, just plain Greek yogurt.
I like to add tequila. Eh?
Cheers.
If you like what we're cooking up in the kitchen, be sure to subscribe, and we'll give you more recipes that you could or could not make. But we encourage you to make them. Just make them. Eh?